going to show you how to make a buttercream flower. You're going to start with a beehive base. I did this using a number 12 tip. So really simple, just make a pile of icing right there. You can use a 104 tip, which we'll be using for the petals to make the beehive. I just find this easier. So to start, you're going to take your 104 tip, which looks like this, okay? And you want to keep the wider part of the tip towards the base of the flower. So the very first layer will be the center of our flower. So here we go. Okay, so there's the center of our flower. Now for our next layer, it's going to be 3 petals. So 1, 2, 3. And there we go. So now we're going to keep building on this. Our third row of petals will be 3 again. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Now as you can tell, I'm just making a upwards motion with the bag. I'm keeping the petals all the same length, and I'm just making half circles, as you can see right here. So now we're on our 4th row. Our 4th row, I like to make 4 petals at this point, just to make the flower bigger. I think if you're going to make a bigger flower, you can just keep going with 3, but I mean, you don't need the flower to be huge. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Now, I think this is a good size rose for a cake, so I'm going to end it with 1 more row. Now, roses have a more open look to them, so to get that more open look, you just got to hold the bag at a different angle. Okay. So then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, there we are. Now I'm still learning, so it's not perfect. Like, I'm not really happy with how sloppy the sides are, but I think that's a pretty good start. So if you're starting to learn how to make the roses, just keep practicing. When I make another batch of buttercream, I'll probably practice some more, but keep in mind, you want to do for your first row just 1 petal, your second row 3, your third row 3, your 4th row 4, and your 5th row 5. You play around with it, but I think that's the best way to do it. Originally, my flowers are coming out too uneven, so this seems like the easiest way. And turning your flower nail is important as well. All right, thanks for watching.